Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'm reviewing the Lemoda SKINLIKE Real HD Lace Wigs, a 13x4 full lace frontal wig made with 12A Brazilian virgin human hair. This 30-inch beauty is designed to give you a flawless natural look with HD lace that's nearly invisible and promises comfort and durability. So let's dive into this review to see if it lives up to the hype. The Lemoda SKINLIKE Real HD Lace Wig is crafted from 12A virgin Brazilian straight hair, which means it's 100% natural and hasn't been chemically processed. This ensures it retains its natural elasticity and quality. The HD lace used here is ultra thin and breathable, designed to blend seamlessly with your scalp for a natural hairline. Plus, it promises durability, making it suitable for regular wear without compromising on its look. The 13x4 lace frontal offers more versatility, allowing you to create different hairstyles while keeping a natural appearance. Upon receiving the wig, I was immediately impressed with how lightweight and soft the hair felt. The 30-inch length is luxurious, and the straight texture looks sleek right out of the box. The lace is so thin and delicate that it's almost invisible when placed against the skin, creating a truly seamless look. The hair has a natural shine, and the density of 210% gives it a full-bodied appearance without feeling heavy. The construction of the lace cap is secure and breathable, and it fits comfortably without causing irritation, which is a huge plus, especially for long-term wear. I tested this wig under a few different conditions, wearing it to an event, during daily use, and even in different weather conditions. I found that it held up remarkably well, staying sleek and shiny without becoming frizzy or tangling. The lace did require a little bit of customization, but that's pretty standard with lace wigs, and once trimmed to fit, it sat perfectly on my scalp. It's also worth noting that the wig is fairly easy to install. I had no trouble securing it with a wig cap and adhesive. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: invisible HD lace. The lace is so thin, it blends effortlessly with my skin for a seamless, natural-looking hairline. Soft, high-quality hair. The virgin hair feels silky and holds up well to styling with minimal shedding. Breathable and comfortable. The lace cap is breathable, making it ideal for long wear. Full, dense look. The 210% density gives it a voluminous and natural appearance without being too bulky. Long-lasting. With proper care, the wig can last up to 1 to 2 years, which is a significant investment if you're looking for durability. Cons: initial setup. You might need some time and effort to properly customize the lace to match your scalp and hairline perfectly. Price: while the wig's quality is top-notch, the price point may not be suitable for everyone, especially those on a tight budget. Maintenance: like most high-quality wigs, it requires regular care to maintain its shine and smoothness. When it comes to value for money, I would say this wig is definitely an investment if you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting lace wig. The hair quality and the HD lace technology are impressive, and it's not a product that'll lose its appeal after a few wears. However, if you're on a budget, there are other lace wigs that offer good quality at a lower price point. If you're looking for alternatives, you might want to check out some other premium lace wigs, like the Unice or Wigs lace frontals. While they may not offer the same high density or hair quality as the Lemoda, they provide a similar level of style and comfort at a more affordable price. Now, for the final verdict. The Lemoda SKINLIKE Real HD Lace Wig lives up to its promises of natural-looking hair and comfort. The hair quality is great, the lace is nearly invisible, and it has long-term durability. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality wig that will last, this one's a solid option. I'd recommend it to anyone who wants a full, sleek look that's suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.